Welcome back to Health and Relationship Hacks. Today, we're diving into an important topic: improving leg circulation. So much of our well-being relies on healthy blood flow. Good circulation is key for preventing fatigue, heaviness, and more serious issues. The good news is that improving your leg circulation might be easier than you think. We're not talking about intense workouts or complicated procedures. Let's get started. First up, we have a vibrant drink that packs a powerful punch: beet juice. This ruby red elixir is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Beets get their beautiful red color from betalain, a potent antioxidant. This compound not only gives beets their striking hue, but also helps combat oxidative stress in the body. What makes them special for circulation is their high nitrate content. Nitrates are naturally occurring compounds that have a remarkable effect on our cardiovascular system. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. This conversion process is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow. This process, called vasodilation, allows blood to flow more easily, especially to your legs. Improved circulation can lead to better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout your body. Studies show regular consumption of beet juice can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for those looking to support their cardiovascular health. You can find it at most grocery stores or juice bars. It's widely available, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Try adding it to smoothies or even baking with it. This versatile juice can be a delicious addition to various recipes, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Next up, we have a drink with a long history of medicinal use: ginger tea. This ancient remedy has been cherished for centuries across various cultures for its numerous health benefits. Ginger adds a unique zing to dishes and holds incredible properties for circulation. Its spicy, aromatic flavor is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. One key way ginger aids circulation is through its anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels, ensuring smooth and efficient blood flow. Inflammation can damage blood vessels and restrict blood flow, leading to various cardiovascular issues. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy that can cause long-term damage if not addressed. Ginger contains gingerols, powerful anti-inflammatories that protect blood vessels. These compounds are the active ingredients that give ginger its medicinal properties. Ginger also acts as a natural blood thinner, preventing clots. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of heart disease or stroke, as it helps keep the blood flowing freely. A warm cup of ginger tea can be incredibly soothing. It's not just a comfort drink, but a therapeutic one, offering warmth and relief from various ailments. Simply grate fresh ginger root, steep in hot water, and enjoy. This simple preparation can be a daily ritual that supports your overall health and well-being. Chapter 3: Pomegranate Juice, Antioxidant Powerhouse for Healthy Vessels. Let's talk about a drink bursting with flavor and antioxidants: pomegranate juice. This vibrant red juice is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, more so than green tea or red wine. These antioxidants are essential in combating oxidative stress and maintaining overall health. These antioxidants protect your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can lead to inflammation and other health issues, but pomegranate juice helps neutralize them. Pomegranate juice also improves nitric oxide production, helping blood vessels relax and widen. This process is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and ensuring efficient blood flow. By incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet, you're boosting your circulatory system. Regular consumption can lead to better heart health and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Enjoy a delicious and refreshing drink while supporting your health. So next time you reach for a beverage, consider pomegranate juice for its taste and numerous health benefits. Chapter 4: Green tea. Sip your way to better circulation. Green tea is enjoyed worldwide for its taste and health benefits. It contains catechins, which improve blood vessel function. Catechins act as vasodilators, helping blood vessels relax and widen. Green tea also helps lower LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. By incorporating green tea into your routine, you're supporting cardiovascular health and circulation. Chapter 5: The Power of H2O. Never underestimate water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining good circulation. Think of your blood as a river flowing through your body. When you're dehydrated, that river shrinks and the flow becomes sluggish. Drinking enough water helps maintain proper blood volume and fluidity. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle as a reminder to stay hydrated. So there you have it, 5 simple drinks that can improve your leg circulation. Incorporating these drinks into your routine can impact your overall health. Consistency is key. Try adding 1 or 2 of these drinks to your day. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, comment and subscribe for more hacks. Stay healthy and see you next time.